I'm here.
Daniel Goodwin
is unavailable. Please leave your message after the tone. When done, hang up or press the pound key.
Susan, when was the last time you had a discussion with Dewey Webb?
2 days ago. Or yesterday. No, it was 2 days ago.
How is that possible if he died 2 years ago and the desk sergeant said he, retired?
Then why is a dead officer calling me about me being attempted murder by Kristen Sherman hunting me like a deer?
I don't know, but this is the voicemail of Goodwin. We're leaving a message. He's supposed to connect with me, and I got his voice. Let me add to the call again. Hold on.
Okay.
Stay there. You're staying there, right?
Yep, I'm here.
Add to the call. Recent.
What kind of crazy are they trying to pull on me?
And dial 911. So I'm going for our office directory. You want to transfer your call to the communications clerk.
I didn't hear you. What?
I'm on his voicemail.
Okay.
You and her.
Okay.
Oh, that's the police.
Yeah, you connected me to a voicemail for Goodwin, and I want to know why we have conversations going with Dewey Webb. Someone who called saying he's Dewey Webb.
Okay, you asked to speak to Captain Goodwin. I transferred you to Captain Goodwin.
Right, and I call, and we're now recording on his recording machine. And now I also have Susan on the phone.
Hi.
Hello.
Susan's been getting calls from Dewey Webb.
A dead man.
A dead guy.
A dead guy. I'm suing the shit out of these people.
Yes, we are. And by the way, this video is going in the file.
I'm having death threats, and my Alabaster police kept my license and wouldn't give me police reports because I'm a federal witness in a Tennessee case in which I was supposed to be testifying Monday. So they stole my license and have not given me reports, and the Alabaster court supervisor told me he can't arrest anybody without the police reports.
Well, Dewey Webb has been calling you from the grave. That's awesome.
That's amazing. The CIA have gotten really good, John.
Explain one thing. When they told you you were going into witness protection and it turned out to be a fraud, why didn't they arrest the person?
Angela Vaughn said she was General Vaughn of Space Force.
Mr. Flynn?
Yeah.
Okay, Captain Goodwin is not at his desk, but I'm going to conference you in. Are you ready?
Yeah.
1 moment.
About time. They've only tried to kill me 25 times, John.
25 is a lot.
25 is a lot. Hospital visits, cornea burns at UAB. They want to arrest Edwin, who's...
That they tried to, they tried to poison...
Mr. Flynn,
Yeah, I'm here.
you're all with Captain Goodwin. Go ahead.
Captain, how can I help you? Well, it turns out that a Dewey Webb keeps calling Susan Pierce about, and they've been talking basically about the poisoning of Autumn Maddox.
And the poisoning of my home. I can't even go home.
Okay, well, Officer Webb is not been calling you because Officer Webb passed away. I know, I'm looking at his obituary.
Then who the hell have I been talking to?
So why are you telling me? I have no idea. Why are you telling me to call, well, you know this Samiango guy? The sheriff? Yes. I'm aware of who the sheriff is. Why isn't this handled? I don't know why is what been handled. Susan's getting calls by Dewey Webb.
I'm getting death threats by Kristen.
You haven't been conversing with him. Now, last time she went to the police department, you confiscated her license, and then you denied her the police report she's been waiting for. For how long, Susan?
I'm supposed to have testified in Tennessee as a federal witness, and they told me I waited a week. They told me to be there Tuesday. I came Wednesday. They told me to come back Monday. Well, Monday's when I was supposed to be in Tennessee testifying. You withheld my Records.
When can we get the records, Spike?
Okay, stop. Both of you stop talking.
Well, I had a court case on Monday, and I needed the records.
Thank you.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Okay.
Goodbye? Really?
I didn't say that, sir.
Who said that?
Wow.
I didn't say it.
Oh, that's probably, John, that's probably the voicemail. John, that's probably the voicemail. You were on the voicemail with whatever, Goodwin. But, sir, I don't understand. I am a 57-year-old disabled woman with a TV show, activist.
I'm aware of who you are.
Okay, then why are you not arresting my brother that's trafficking me and the neighbors that have burned me and run me from my home and poisoned my home? You have tried to swat me. You have falsely arrested me. You have trampled my civil rights. Why are you not protecting me? What have I ever done to you?
You didn't do anything to me right now.
Then why aren't you upholding your oath?
Okay, hold on. Susan, did you record the conversations with Webb?
I think I might have one of them. I have to go see.
So now, who's the guy? What's the number that it came from? Do you know the telephone number?
Yeah, let me get that for you.
Was it from the police department?
It was from, one was a non-emergency Alabaster number. One looked like 561-4904. No, that's not it. That's got to be it. I've got the only numbers on my phone are 781-304-7603, and then Alabaster non-emergency number.
So he's calling from a non-emergency Alabaster number?
205-663-7401.
7401.
I'm calling you. He is passed away.
Somebody from your department called me.
Hold on. 7401 is the number for Goodwin that I just dialed.
That's the main. Okay. All right. Stop.
No.
Stop. First off,
You
stop
stop.
screaming. Okay.
I'm not
No,
screaming.
you stop screaming. Okay. Let me stop you right here. I don't know who's been calling her.
Your phone number.
He's not. She didn't say that. She said another number. I just heard her.
205, it's a non-emergency number. The person that called me from the police is 205-663-7401.
We haven't used that number in well over 2 years, so that's not the number.
Well, that's the number that called me,
Our phone
sir.
number is 664-7401, not 663.
Why are you getting so aggressive with me? I'm the victim here. Why are you so aggressive with me?
So you know the number. It's 2 years old.
No, I know the
Continue. And you recognize the number that's calling her, identifying as a dead police officer.
Okay, and sir,
No.
I don't want to be talking about her.
Did you get my email?
Did I get your email? No.
Okay, check your email.
Sir, I'm being hunted by a KGB Alabama Bureau cannibal that's raping and killing kids with your Sheriff Horton up in Etowah County. I have all the network. I answer to Senator Warner. I've been sending case reports about all the bullshit that's been going on in Alabama. And your department is straight on their target.
Okay.
Yeah, 1,200 feds in Alabama watching y'all. 1,200. And Santiago just got his, in the commission they just got legal paperwork for raping kids in their custody.
Do not complicate matters. Do not.
I did not receive an email from you, no.
I sent it to you.
Okay. Well, I did not receive it.
Let me go to my sent file.
Okay.
Well, I'm looking at it.
Okay. I don't know, sir. It may not have come through yet. I have no idea.
Read it to him, John.
Hold on.
Sir, are y'all going to protect me? I've been run from the state of Alabama. I have given you the people doing this to me. You're protecting criminals that are raping children.
Who's Billy Webb?
I have no idea.
Alabaster police officer Billy Webb.
There is no such
I'm looking at it. Huh?
There is no such person.
There is no such person as Billy Webb. I'm looking at an article that Billy Webb is referenced in.
Well, I don't know what to say, sir. There is no person here by that name. It has not been since I've been employed here.
So you have people impersonating your officers. I have sheriffs that are pulling over my friends that are saving me while I'm being poisoned, told me I'm dead because they had me right where I want them. What the hell is going on with y'all's departments?
Ma'am, I don't know what you're referencing. If you have a specific complaint, I'll be glad to address it, but you're just saying generalized things.
Okay, I talked to Webb. Webb was going to pull. I had 2 sheriffs 2 weeks ago. I was poisoned. I had a friend come to my home to save me. 1 block from my home, 2 sheriffs pulled her over, grabbed her phone, told her, we have you right where we want you, you are dead. And Webb was supposed to be pulling the cameras and investigating that for me.
Well, we don't have a Webb.
Okay, can you investigate that for me? I'll give you the dates. Hang on.
You've already done it to the sheriff's department.
No, the sheriff's departments are the one who pulled her over and threatened my life. I'm not dealing with the sheriff. I'm suing them.
Okay, well, ma'am,
It was September the 14th where you're not nice. You're not a public servant. You're not treating me. I'm being raped and tortured, and you're talking to me like I'm a dog.
No, ma'am, I'm trying to tell you what the proper procedure is, and you're not listening.
You have no empathy whatsoever.
Susan, listen to what he has to say, because we can use it in the court of law against him. Go ahead.
Listening.
If you have an allegation of abuse by the Shelby County Sheriff's Office, then you have to file that with the Sheriff's Office.
I have an allegation of abuse through your department. You've swatted me. You've medically kidnapped me, and you have allowed my neighbors and brother to gang stalk me to the point I have a brain tumor and been run from my home.
We've investigated all that, ma'am.
You have investigated. Oh, really?
Where's the report?
Yeah, where's the report?
Well, the report is not public record. I can't give it to you.
What investigator? What's his name?
Excuse me, say that again? You
Yes,
did
an
an
investigation
investigation.
is not public record.
You did an investigation, you claim, and you denied her all her police reports and took her driver's license.
I didn't. I don't know what you're talking about with the driver's license. So,
Where is it?
I have no idea.
She came to the police department to get the reports that she needed for court, and you denied them. And then you took her license and said, no, we can't give you back your license. And then you withheld the reports.
Sir, I have no way to refute or confirm whatever you're saying.
Well, I recorded that conversation back then when it took place.
Autumn has the live recording of me being in the police station. She taped it because the tech guy came out and said they were going to forensically look at a little cartel, little Mexican mom and her son. Nice little CIA skit, too. We recorded that.
So then there were 3 poisonings.
Yep, 3.
Okay. And that's in the report, sir, that you claim you have?
If there was an investigation done, I've not seen the file, but the file is not public record.
What happened to the subpoena I gave your police department?
I know nothing of a subpoena, sir.
It's referenced in the court case that I sent to you by email. The complaint.
No, I've not received anything.
I sent it to you twice now.
Okay. I don't know what to say.
He can't help us,
looking at my
John.
email folder right now.
He's not upholding his oath.
Daniel Goodwin?
No.
Well, that's
what
correct. You didn't come back to me. Your name is
What do you say, sir? That's not my email address.
What is your email address?
dgoodwin@alabasterpolice.org.
Did you get that email?
I haven't received any email that quickly, sir.
You sent them to Daniel Goodwin and D. Goodwin.
Okay. Now, if it comes through and you typed it incorrectly, then I'll get it.
I don't know if I typed it in properly, it would have come back to me as saying undeliverable, but I had nothing in my inbox saying undeliverable.
You have proposed message. This message lasts.
So, I've been run from my home. I've been poisoned. I have a brain tumor. My brother's trafficking me, and I have an Alabama bureau that's trying to kill me. And what are y'all going to do for me?
No. He said he had an investigation and everything was done, and they didn't find him. They didn't.
I mean,
I'll give you a copy of it, and they didn't find anything.
Hang on. Stop.
And I sent you 3 emails, and you don't have any of them.
No, trust me, don't.
I sent you 3. And by the way, the video that I'm currently making shows me put your email address in and then hit send and have it go. And then I checked my inbox just now, nothing back. So if I go to my sent file, now it's on the screen, I'll send you a copy of this. Chanel. Here we go. Chanel, okay. Officer Goodwin. Forward. Here we go, number 4. BCC, copy 2. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Forward.
He doesn't realize that 25 of us have been murdered. 7 of us have been poisoned. This ties to combing election fraud and destabilization of national security. And my local police department is covering up for a KGB Alabama assassin and can't help me because they've done their report. The laughing stock of the nation.
B. Goodwin at alabasterpolice.org, correct? Is that wrong?
That's correct.
Okay, this is my 4th email to you. Ready?
Okay.
Send.
So 6 judges, senators, slush funds, COINTEL program, gang stalking.
I have a copy of it, B. Goodwin at alabasterpolice.org. And now I'm going to write you a new one. You have completed an investigation into the poisoning
An attempted murder
and attempted murder and refuse to give us a copy of the falsified investigation after I gave you a subpoena, which is amazing.
which is illegal.
After the subpoena.
He doesn't realize this is a $100 million lawsuit, does he?
Well, it's more than that.
And every officer that doesn't uphold their oath, we're coming after your bonds.
Susan, Corey Coopersmith had $300 million stolen in actual damages. And he's a plaintiff with you and me.
And I've been run from a $340,000 paid for home with all the contents in it that's been poisoned and broken into. And my police can't help me.
It's okay. So who's giving you instructions from the U.S. Senate Judiciary, can I ask?
No one's giving me instructions, and I've never spoken to someone from the judiciary.
Well, that's an admission then, that it's all on you, right? If you were given an illegal order and you followed an illegal order, I'd have to prove it was illegal. But in this case, you're doing this stuff on your own without instruction from U.S. Senator Blumenthal. Is that correct?
I don't know who that is.
You don't know who Senator Blumenthal is? Over intelligence with Warner? You don't know who Blumenthal is out of New York, and you're a public official.
Okay,
I'm a public official in Alabama.
Obviously.
I don't.
Okay, we need your investigation by PDF today for federal court, which we missed.
We're not going to give that to you. So.
It's not your decision to make. It's your attorneys. Now, who's your attorney?
city attorney? We have one yet.
Okay, what's the name?
Anyway, Miss Pierce's ID is at the police department.
You can have it. You can choke on it for all I
Don't
care.
say that, Susan. Don't say that. It's your personal property that identifies you for court.
I'm not going anywhere near these people. They've tried to kidnap me and shot at me. Ran me from my home. Medically kidnapped me.
Is that in the report?
Probably not. It's in my report. It's in the report to Senator Warner of the Intelligence Committee head. I contacted Warner's office yesterday with an update.
Do they get federal funding?
Yep.
Oh, boy.
Alabaster gets a nice amount of federal funding. Brand new, pretty park they just put in. You're not upholding your oath. Did you take an oath to the Constitution, sir? I'd like to know, are you under your oath, and did you take an oath? And is it on file in Montgomery? Did you take an oath, sir?
No.
Did you take an oath? Did you take an oath to uphold the United States Constitution? No, yes or no. Did you take an oath to uphold the Constitution of the United States?
Susan. They received $20.2 billion thus far this year.
We'll make sure that doesn't happen again.
Well, here we go. That's why you have a claim, and you can file it tomorrow.
I will file it tomorrow.
Because who was the judge in your case where you didn't have your evidence?
Wellborn.
Wilburn?
Yep. And Boyd evidently signed off on an illegal commitment paper that they can't find now. Amazing. After Bayhackle called the police, they did a illegal welfare check when I was trying to tell Bayhackle my brother's trafficking his child and grandson. So Bayhackle is now being investigated. Warner, I sent an investigation report request.
Hold on. The good news is Bayhackle is already a defendant.
Yep.
So you can file a claim tomorrow on Bayhackle and the fact that Mr. Goodwin has a investigation about the poisoning of 3 women that pretty much did not yield a conclusion when they said they were hunting you like a deer, which is in your...
And don't forget they wanted to gut me. Don't forget that one.
Mr. Goodwin, were you aware that they claimed they wanted to gut Susan like a deer?
I told you before, I'm not conversant of the day-to-day facts of the case, as I've said to you multiple times.
Could you look into it for us?
If the cases have been closed, then no.
Who closed the case if Susan's sitting right here and never heard about it? And why would you close the case and not notify her?
And why am I not able to go back to my home? Because I'm getting assaulted every time I go home.
And why do you have her driver's license?
And why did you keep my police reports for the federal case in Tennessee? I needed Monday and told you I was a witness in Tennessee.
Your report here as your ID, ma'am. You were supposed to be here Monday at 10 to get it.
I was in Tennessee testifying.
I thought you couldn't testify.
James Hammonds, the police chief, called you. I was in James Hammonds' case where they're trying to steal 35 farms up there because of BlackRock DOD MFers that work for y'all.
Are those lithium farms? Those farms have lithium on them, I believe.
Yes, they do.
Okay, so they're stealing farms.
And they want my $340,000 house because they tried to illegally commit me. And then don't forget Tullum or whoever in the hell that little Chelsea attorney was, the pro litem that was already set up before I even had a court case. It's a due process violation.
I think we really don't want to say too much more.
I'm suing you. Expect me. Because I'm not going to be run from my state and my home. And I'm not going to be raped and trafficked by your boys. Period.
Okay.
I got 3 police departments. I want to go on the record. Atlanta, Decatur, and Huntsville own patents to my semiconductors that the United States government put in my body without my permission. You own patents to my body. You're not going to help me.
Does your report, Mr. Goodwin, mention the fact that Susan is chipped with biometric censoring non-consensual
Human experimentation subject?
As I told you before, I don't know the ins and outs of it, so I have no way to answer that.
He doesn't even know my case, John. He knows it's closed, though, but he doesn't know a damn thing about my case.
He did an investigation. He claimed
He claimed
an investigation that he didn't do. And we have an admission right here on the phone.
Yep. And you can't even say yes or no when you took your oath. If I take an oath as an officer, I'd say, yes, I represent the United States government, and I'm proud to represent the United States Constitution.
Hold on. Mr. Goodwin, we have no problem with the fact that you did absolutely nothing to help Susan, but the fact remains you completely know about it, and now I'm asking you to do something about it. Let bygones be bygones or not. It's up to you. This tape right here is very damaging. I will hold you harmless, but not a lot. We have 9 murdered people, sir.
25 poisoned.
Hold on. Susan's on the list as number 10. And you knew that. Not you, but your office. And then you said you did an investigation, which she's not even aware of, that she called for, and it's not closed. How could it be closed?
And no one asked me anything. How can you investigate if you don't get my side of the story?
Susan, only you can close the investigation if you called for it. Unless they hand you a report saying, this is what we found, which they're not willing to do.
Well, like I said, her ID is here at the police department if she would like to get it.
Well, she's not coming because you guys are trying to kill her, obviously, or Miss Cantrell is.
Who works for Horton.
She is bragging on Facebook that she owns you. She knows everything about every bride you guys ever accepted. Go and look at her page. Cantrell Sherman, Kristen Cantrell Sherman.
Yep.
Is bragging on Facebook that she's going to talk, and she's going to divulge information about the probate court, multiple judges, multiple cops, all this dirty business. That's fine. That doesn't bother me.
They just put her son, Will Cantrell, in jail, and the judge up there is a pedophile putting children from Eagle Rock Foster Home. They're passing around little Isaiah and Justin, which I've been begging your office to help me with, like Tic Tacs. 14-year-old little black boys getting raped by your officials that you're protecting. That makes you compliant and complicit.
Wow.
I was raped at 3 years old. That's why I do this. I'm not going to be raped by you men anymore.
Okay, Susan, that's enough. Let's call it a day.
You failed to do your oath. You failed me, and you failed this country. I'm ashamed to even say I live in this state.
Okay. Well, like I said, your ID is here.
I'm not coming everywhere. I'm not coming anywhere near Alabama.
Okay.
We'll see you in court. Have a nice day. God bless.
Okay.
Ciao, ciao.
Wow. I just stopped the recording.